know Seven's the general piper come true. Boundary adjustments, roady carpets, red carpets everywhere. Waving the flag. Season.
Forget but your friend in Miss Genera is the remedy. One is free, no me pedigree. Mother with no apology. Me gimmicks a philosophy. Lyrical perfectionist, me on like 2000 degrees. If you not get with your critic, no point no chat, no give a rich. Feel yourself bad to once, see no defeat. Never hurry, never afraid, man. Yes indeed, never decrease or let's increase. Me jam family. We set on the record and we break it that way. We call on the shot and we boss while I hear. Capacity limit is what I'm preaching. I serious, me serious from me, no skin me team. You see enough of them just choo like train. This champion vibe has broken that chain. Stamp on your feet, wave your flag with a touch of class. And then tell them say
I am a born champion.
Unique and special.
You are a born champion.
Limitless, defeatless.
We are the born champion now. This is the song for the champion.
Champion minds occupy the front line. Brave one a mediocre and them bypass. I don't think I need the virus is spreading.
Your flag, now wave your flag, now wave your flag. Oh, 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 oh. Danos vida, danos fuego, que nos lleven a lo alto, campeones o vencidos, pero unidos a intentarlo.
In the streets our heads are lifting as we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it surrounds us, every nation all around us. Singing forever young, singing songs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice in the beautiful game. And together at the end of the day, we all say
seremos grandes, seremos fuertes, somos un pueblo, bandera de libertad. Que viene y que va, que viene y que va, que viene y que va, que viene y que va. When I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, now 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 wave your flag. Oh, 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 oh. Unidos seremos grandes, seremos fuertes, somos un pueblo, bandera de libertad. When I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, now 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 wave your flag. Oh, 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 and everybody will be singing it. And we all will be singing it.
You're a good soldier, choosing your battle. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fall, get up, oh, oh, and if you fall, get up, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, cause this is Africa. Samina, mina, eh, eh, waka, waka, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, this time for Africa. your moment, no hesitation. Today's your day, feel it. You pave the way, believe it. If you get down, get up, oh, oh. When you get down, get up, hey, hey. Tamina, mina, sangalewa. This time for Africa. Tamina, mina, hey, hey. Waka, waka, hey, hey. Tamina, mina, sangalewa. Anawa, ah, ah. Tamina, mina, hey, hey. Waka, waka, hey, hey. Tamina, mina, sangalewa. This time for Africa.
I'm well on my journey, biggie, biggie mama, one A to Z. Party to sell on my journey, biggie, biggie mama, from east to west. Party, waka, waka, my waka, waka, my Tangi since Mazimu, yeah. This is Africa.
This time for Africa. Jungle, eh, eh, jungle, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa. Anawa, ah, ah. Jungle, eh, eh, jungle, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa.
My name is Sandy Frank. The team is called Kampala Junior League Soccer Academy.
This time for Africa.
We have 64 trophies. Actually, problems, firstly, we lack transporting these players where we are going to play. Secondly, we lack equipment. If that whenever we train, we don't have much balls, jerseys, shorts.
This is your moment, no hesitation. Today's your day.
Actually, when a sponsor comes to our team, firstly, we need balls. We need balls and jerseys. We need a club van to transport our players whenever we're going to play. Secondly, we need a club house where these players gather after the matches. Thirdly, we need funds. At the moment, we have no sponsors. This team is being financed by our parents and the players.
This is Africa.
This time for Africa. This time for Africa. This time for Africa. We're all Africa. We're all Africa.
Eko mkono mabega. Eko mkono mabega. We go. Ngende? Mama. Go. Nashukuru mkono mabega.